Hey guys, welcome back to another video review on Jc.techtv, and this week we will be reviewing the Segotep GANK 2 budget-friendly PC gaming case. And without taking much of your time, let's get on with the details of the case. The size of the case is 476 by 210 by 525mm. Its materials are plastic and metal with an acrylic viewing panel at the side. Removing the side window reveals the insides of the case, and the case supports the standard ATX, Micro ATX and ITX motherboards. It also features compatible mounting of extended ATX motherboards. The front of the case features a large mesh filter for the two front fans. Moving slightly up, you'll find one USB 3.0, two USB 2.0, the headphone and microphone jack, and the option to add another USB 3.0. The case also features two standard-sized drive slots at the front. On the top of the case, you'll find your power button, your reset button, and another large mesh filter for your fans. One of the downsides, and probably one of the most annoying parts about this case, is the task of removing the top and the front fan filters for the case. In order to remove the filters, you will need to straighten out the hooks that attach them to the case itself. It's also hard to reach them with the fans installed. Also, this case supports GPUs of up to 370mm in length. The case also includes two blue LED fans, and you'll find two fan slots at the front of the case, two fan slots on top of the case, and I should also note that it supports water cooling radiators of up to 240mm in length. One fan slot at the back of the case, two more fan slots on top of the basement of the case, which brings us to a total of 7 fan slots for this case. Removing the other side panel reveals the cable management holes for this case, and I'm sorry for the terrible cable management that I've done for this case. And at the bottom you'll find 2 slots for your hard drive and your SSDs. So final thoughts on the Segotep GANK 2 PC gaming case. It is a pretty decent and affordable case if you're a first-time builder. However, if you're an advanced builder or a gamer, I would suggest you go for something like the Segotep K7, link in the description below. That's it for the review. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any feedbacks, leave it in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching Jc.techtv.